Hello, I'm Dr. Nisa Khan. Hopefully many of you saw my last video introducing my new book, Blinding LED Headlights, the Biggest Blunder of Modern Science. I'll soon be releasing an appraisal written by Dr. Rayner for this book. But today I'd like to share with you that a group of us have been working together, including Rayner, regularly on understanding natural science, natural mathematics through humanity, and using natural practices. Modern science since Galileo or Newton, or even assuming Greco-Roman roots for modern science, simply hasn't been using natural practices to do science and mathematics. If it did, today the mainstream physics and engineering communities would fathom what Gauss's laws say in plain English, would be able to demonstrate Gauss's laws and Faraday's law analytically in volumetric space and not on a 2D plane only. So how do we get back to natural science and natural mathematics and provide bridges between them and axiomatic mathematics and abstract physics of today? Many of you heard me say that there are no waves or frequencies in volumetric space. What do I mean? My hairstylist and friend Jennifer tells me that everything is about energies. This much is largely true. But then, like many other people, she also says, everything is about energy, waves, and frequencies. I asked her, Jen, can you draw me or sculpt a 3D wave in space? She said, now you got me thinking. So here is a 1D wave. This is a sine function according to modern science and modern mathematics. Can you extend it to 2D? Okay, that would be like a ribbon going over this. Now, how would you extend this flat, wavy ribbon into 3D? Stuck? Please think about this. In the meantime, Alan and I have been discussing how there is no other way but to be honest about how things really work in nature according to natural science, which is essentially via natural philosophy and natural practices that humans can engage in. So I offer you Alan's recent chronicle, No Other Way. No Other Way by Dr. Alan Rayner. There is no other way out from our current predicament than for abstract science and maths, which helped us get into it, to recognize what it got wrong by isolating matter from space-time in a box of Cartesian coordinates, and what can only be put right by naturally including each in the other as where they actually belong, in receptive, responsive relationship between intangible stillness and circulatory motion. Only then will it truly be possible for us all to see ourselves and others as sentient beings in becoming, dynamically distinct but inseparable from where and when we are situated in natural neighborhood, receiving, embodying, and passing on the liveliness that flows around and in between our heartfelt centers of gravity as innermost cavities calling for light to surround them. Only then will we truly behold babies birthing, buds bursting, leaves leafing, flowers flowering, mushrooms mushrooming, worms worming, branches branching, networks networking, feathers flying for what they are as expressions of natural flow geometry, originating infinitesimally in spheres of spatial and energetic influence that cannot be reduced realistically to fixed points, lines, planes, or blocks of solid construction. We may be able to offer you greater help with teaching and training around how to conduct natural physics in the future. For that, I ask for your support that is honest and substantial. Please contact me if you're interested. Thank you. Namaskar.